Hello, Namaste. I hope all of you are fine at your places. Myself Dudhat Kaushal. In this video, I am going to present Creative Monthly Planner. It is a part of our internal assessment under the guidance of Dr. Ebziba Mary. So, without wasting a time, just look at the monthly planner. Here you find a first page of monthly planner. So here you are able to see the name and the monthly planner 2020. So in this page you are able to write anything what you want, like your names, your classrooms and etc. So now we look the side view of monthly planner. So you can see here, and now we are going to see our first month. So I am present first month February. So you find a February month. So here you are able to see the dates and days from Sunday to Saturday as per the our calendar. So basically in this I include 3 slices. So if I want to see, like in 4th February, what I want to do, so in 4th February I just open the first slices. So here you can able to see it's study communications. Second activity is a review of content writing. So you are able to include your goals in a 3 slices. So this on the first, second and third one. So as well, like if in a Saturday, so Saturday I want to do, I will do weekly report of documentation team of SAG student chapter. So as well, like 21 is holiday. So in 21 I just remark as other color pencil, so you are able to see that yes, it's holiday. So in 21 I am visit Mahadev temple, so because it's Mahashivratri. As well in on 23rd February I do revision of weekly study and movie time. Yeah, it's Sunday, so I include the movie time, so it's look pretty and creative. So by doing that you are also inspired to do 1 or 2 activity as per a day, so in which you are able to insert 3 activities or 4 activities per a day. Now we are going to another month, so I just slide it. Okay, here you find March month. In March I want to see like what I will do in first March. So in first March I include revision of weekly study and shopping. Okay, so I just include in the whole Sunday I do the yoga classes and revision of weekly study. So revision of weekly study is very common, so you find that yoga classes here, visit the nearby places. So if you it's kind of a common schedule for me, like here you also find revision of weekly study and yoga classes. So in Sunday of March I generally do the revision of weekly study. So here you find 2 holidays. So like if we check 25 March, so here you find, oh, it's clear all the doubts of subjects, and other one it's a free time, so I want to do only one activity. So it's very strict for me to study in holidays. Also if I want to check Saturday, so like just look at the Saturday. So here you find in cycling review of SPT mirror articles. Okay, so here all 3 sheets are fill up, so I have to do lots of work. Also you find in 21st of March cycling and a review of weekly report of documentation team. So okay, in Saturday I find that I fill up all three slices. So Saturday and Sunday are full of activities. So let's move to another month. This is April. Okay, so here you find April month. In April, we first move to the holiday. Yes, holiday is my favorite. So I look what I will do in holiday. Oh, here I find it in 2nd of April. I will do Solvagate 2019 paper. Okay, it's only one activity, so rest of the day I have to do rest. So let's open another slice. Okay, I just open the 19th of April. So here you find that. Okay, first okay, yes, yoga classes. Okay. This is yoga classes, and second one is revision of weekly study. Yeah, in Sunday it's my common schedule that I have to attend yoga classes. All Sunday I find yoga classes. Here you also find yoga classes. So it's common for me to attend yoga classes in all Sunday. Okay, like if you find the 24th of April, so here I sports badminton. Okay, so now we are moving to another month. This is May. Okay, so here you find May month. Okay. In May, I first look at the 7th of May. So just look at the 7th of May. Yeah, it's full of in 3 activities. Okay, so here finish production chapter, finish module 1 of Get AIO TSE. Okay, so now we look at the 17th Sunday. Okay, so yoga classes, revision of weekly study. Also here you find yoga classes, revision of weekly study. Yeah, so Sunday it's a common schedule for me. Like what I do in Monday, attend online course on Udemy. In 19th of attend online course on Coursera. Okay, so you find the activities of different days. Finish the reservoir module from Gate IoTSE. Here you find finish remaining chapters from reservoir module. Okay, so you are able to see all the activities. Okay, so we move to last month. This is June. So here you find June month. Okay, so particularly in June, if you are fine, in 7th of June, yoga classes, revision of weekly study. In 9th of June, you are fine, attend online course. Also in 16th, attend online course on Coursera. In 22nd, attend online course on Udemy. Here you find read the chapters of reservoir module of Get IoTSE. Okay, so now we look at another chip. Here attend Swaminarayan Sabha. So yeah, it's a lockdown and I have to attend Swaminarayan Sabha in online mode. Okay, like we look at the Saturday preparation for end semester assignment. Here you find read the chapters of reservoir module. Here you find attend online course on Coursera. Okay. Preparation for end semester assignment. Okay, so it's full of activity. Okay, at the end I want to say I am sure that you like monthly planner because it's look like pretty and creative. Also, by looking it's you are able to find activities very easily, like just opening the chips. So also by seeing the view you are inspired to do activities, like you are sure about to do what in a particular day. It's look very cool and amazing. So yeah, you find every month you easily change the month as per your wishes, and you find that which type of which activities you do in a particular date. So it's have you are able to see that it's have a capacity of it can able to handle more than 12 months. So you are it's have a capability to handle more months, and also it, if you are put it in your tables, it's look like very good and cool. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video, and it look I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I am pretty sure that you guys will make this type of monthly planner for your daily activities, because it's look very amazing and it's having capacity to accommodate more than 3-4 activities, because it's have a very plenty of spaces, so you can write your activities. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.